Woo! Hot dog! I am here in Louisville, Kentucky at the Ford Truck Assembly Plant. And this is going to be one hell of an adventure because I got to go all the way around this facility. And let me tell you, it ain't small. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Oh, it is yellow. Okay. Man, I'm gonna be lost. Where the hell am I even? I don't even know where I'm at. Well, okay. We'll just drive around until we find something called Orange Building or Orange Dock. I don't get run over by one of these fast-moving container haulers. They drive like there's no tomorrow. Now, let me tell you, when I get to a receiver like this, like Ford, GM, whatever, this is what I find exciting. Stop here on red. There is no red. Where's the red? I ain't going that way. I'm going this way. Oh, they need to redo this driveway. It's messed up. But, see, this is what I like about driving. The excitement of being in one of these facilities and you have no idea where the hell you're going. This map don't make no damn sense. And that's Green Dot. And we're just going to drive until we get to where we're going. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Train in the way? Oh man, what the? Well, that's interesting. I don't want to see myself. We have a train in the way. Oh, he's backing up. Looks like he was delivering frames. You know, truck frames. Alright, let's see if we can sneak up around here and around the corner. I didn't see the lights or the wigwag going. Huh. Must be broke. Bet you container hauler ran it over. Yeah. Oh, there is no wigwag. It's just a rail crossing. Remote controlled equipment may be in operation. In other words, the trains are auto. I don't see nothing. I gotta stop here because I don't want to stop on the tracks. Alright, we got any trains coming? Nope, don't see nothing. Alright, and we're off. See off to the left, all those truck frames? I should say truck, they're pickup frames is what they are. And that train, he was right here. See if I can get across here without getting in trouble. Alright, Steven, where are we? Where's the railroad tracks? Gotta go to the Orange facility, the Orange Docks. That's where I'm going, Orange. You know, orange is the new black. It's a pretty good show, but after the first season, it just, like most other seasonal shows, after the first season just kind of gets a little, yeah. Gets kind of a little boring after a while. Copper Dock. That sounds funny. Copper Dock. Whew, I've never been around this Orange Dock before. It's way around this place. Uh-oh, check the mirror. Nope, nothing's coming. Let's go. Orange, you glad to see me? Hey, there's Black Dock. Copper Dock's over there. This is Black Dock. We gotta be getting close. Shouldn't we? I better pull over and check the map. Got to get the spectacles out so I can see my map. All right, red. Let's see, copper, black. Oh well, hell, we're almost there. Should be just right around the corner. Sweet. Okay, black. Brand new trucks coming through. Whoa. I don't see nobody. Dock. We made it. Wow, look at those brand new trucks coming off the assembly line. That is like so cool. Oh, they even wash them. That's like badass. Well, I guess I need to pull up over here. Hubba hubba.